Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic backups for your WordPress website using plugins like Updraft and Jetpack. Backups are essential. They protect your site from hacks, crashes, or even accidental mistakes. Let's make sure your hard work is safe. Let's get started. So, why backups are important? Imagine waking up and your website is gone. A backup is your safety net. With automatic backups, you can restore your website anytime without stress. Install Updraft plugin. Let's go to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugin and search for Updraft. Now I'll click on Install now. Let's click on Activate. And let's go to the settings of the plugin. Let's click on Backup now. And you have to tick this because this will have your database backed up and the files. And also tick this because if you will not do this, it will delete the backup that is taken after a certain period. So let's click on Backup now. Now it will take some time and create a backup file for you. So this is your backup. Now this is only on your system and is not available on any remote storage. So this was daily. Let's click on sign in with Google. And continue. Alright, let's click on complete setup. Alright, so now we have the backup on which these files are available. Now make sure to do this daily. And let's save the settings. Alright, the settings are saved. Now the next backup is tomorrow. So that means after a certain period it will automatically take a backup. Alright, so when you will want to restore your backup, so you can do that from here. This will help you restore it and this will help you to delete the backup. Alright, so this is how you can do that on this Updraft plugin. So I hope this video was useful to you and thank you for watching this video.